Kia ora, and welcome to the second lesson in Māori. Today, we're going to learn some greetings. The most common would be kia ora. If you find it difficult to pronounce, break down the syllables. Say them slowly, then gradually, faster and faster. Ki a ora. Kia ora, kia ora. Kia ora means hello and also thank you. Another way to say these two things is Tēnā koe. Take note of where the macrons are. Because of these, you say Tēnā, not Tēnā. Tēnā koe is only for when you're speaking to one person. If you were speaking to two people, you would say Tēnā kōrua. And if you were speaking to three or more people, you would say Tēnā koutou. Koe means you. Kōrua means you two. Koutou means you all, for three or more people. Tēnā koe. Tēnā kōrua. Tēnā koutou. Kia ora and tēnā koe can be said at any time of day. The different times of day are called ata, morning, ahiahi, afternoon, pō, night. Good morning is said ata mārie or mōrena. Good afternoon is said Ahiahi mārie. Good evening or good night is said pō mārie. Finally, here are three common ways to say goodbye. Ka kite. Ka kite anō. Mā te wā. Kite means see. Anō means again. All of these mean, more or less, see you later, and they can be said in any context. There are two other ways that are more specific. Haerera. If you're talking to someone who's leaving. E noho rā. If you're leaving and you're talking to people who are staying. Very good. I hope that this has helped you to say some simple greetings in Māori. Ka kite.